Meaning of flatus.
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 Flatus. Flatus is a technical term that refers to the gas that is produced in the digestive system and expelled through the rectum. It is commonly known as passing gas or farting. Flatus is composed of various gases, including nitrogen, carbon dioxide, oxygen, and methane, which can result in a distinctive odor. The frequency and intensity of flatus production can be affected by a number of factors, such as diet, digestion, and overall health. While flatus is a natural bodily function, excessive or persistent flatulence may be a sign of an underlying medical condition.